How to download Modern Warfare 2 on your PlayStation. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I'll show you how you can download Modern Warfare 2 on PlayStation, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to download the Modern Warfare 2 Call of Duty game on your PlayStation, it's very simple to do so. First, make sure that you have a reliable internet connection, and also make sure that you have enough storage left on your PlayStation console. Once you've made sure of either of these things that I mentioned, just head over to your PlayStation Store. Once you head over to your PlayStation Store, you can see the search box at the very top. Just go to the search box and then search for the game called Modern Warfare 2. So currently you can see on the right hand side we have Warzone, but we're not going to download that. We just want to download the game called Modern Warfare 2, so we're going to type in the name manually. So as you can see on the right hand side, you have different type of Modern Warfare 2 game editions, such as you have the cross-gen bundle, which costs you up to $70, and you also have another one which is Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, which is the premium edition. Now keep in mind that these games may not be free, so there are different versions of Modern Warfare 2 that you might want to download. If it's not free, then obviously you have to go ahead and then purchase it by adding up a payment method from your settings. Anyway, assuming that you've done all of those steps, what you need to do is after you fill in the payment methods, you'll be able to see the download icon over here most likely. All you have to do is just click on the download option in order to begin downloading the Modern Warfare 2 game on your PlayStation console. And if everything goes correctly, such as making sure your internet is working just fine, your game is going to be successfully downloaded. And that's all it takes to download the Modern Warfare 2 on your PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.